Hi out there, it's Wakeangel 2001, and yesterday I was making a joke about this being a daily occurrence, but it actually does seem to be a thing, because we got another package, and this is a big one. It's a big old envelope. It's from someone named George, so yeah, let's open up George's big old envelope. This is the kind where you simply pull on this tab, and then you can reach in there. It is Super Shadow, who is going to be made into a fan character named Ren for Linguine Leafeon. Is that supposed to be Linguini? Linguini Leafeon. I don't know if that it's a username, not an actual name, so I don't hesitate to show because I would put that in the video anyway. So yeah, Linguini Leafeon. Send me a Super Shadow. Is that the only thing that's in the envelope? Indeed it is. The rest of the envelope is empty. So yeah. Ren for Linguini Leafeon. Ren. I feel like if I recognize the fan character if I got a chance to look at it, but I get so many emails, so many people want me to make their characters these days, it's impossible to keep track of it all. So, yes, that is the story that we're going with. So, there we go. This time I got a Super Shadow. Is Wakeangel 2001 turning into an unboxing channel? Well, no, because as things stand, I'm going to begin editing the video for my next custom figure, which, as of the time of this recording, has been posted on Figurerealm and my Patreon, but not yet any of my galleries. So I'm going to edit the video first, then when the video is uploaded to YouTube, then I upload to my galleries. But my fans should be following me on Figurerealm, so they should be able to recognize my stuff when they see it there. And of course my Patreon supporters have got the super high resolution pictures, you know, just the naked pictures directly from my camera with the extra white space cropped out but with no reduction in size, so you can actually see, like, if you want to zoom in to see like the tiny little flubs in my paint or the lines and the ridge of the ridges of the 3D printing, you know, kinds of things that people call me out for, not realizing that the only reason they're able to see it is because it's 5 times larger on this computer screen than it is in real life. But, you know, hey, who ever heard of a magnifying glass? They make things bigger, you say? Blah. Alright, so, yeah, that's this. This unboxing is done, and this is Wakeangel 2001 signing off to work on another, more content-filled video.